Hey guys, this is a day in my life video and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I just want to say thank you so much for all of you who have been viewing my videos and who liked and subscribed. I really appreciate you guys. So the first thing I'm doing is breakfast, and I'm just making me some sausage and bread for breakfast. So after eating breakfast, I decided to get the meat ready for lunch, and I'm just showing you guys this aloe vera. Today is my hair wash routine, and I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be using on my hair. So a trick for you if you have a frozen chicken and you want to use them quicker and you don't have time to do the whole defrost process, just add loads of salt onto your chicken and just a bit of water, and that will help to defrost them a lot quicker. So that's what I'm doing. So after I washed my hands, I'm now going to clean and cut the aloe vera for my hair. This is how the aloe vera is looking once it's drained and there's no lump. I'm now gonna apply it to my hair and I'll be back when I'm done. I'm going to let this sit in my hair for a while I cut and season the chicken. The remaining of the aloe vera I put on my face. I'm just showing you guys that. So while the chicken is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be back when I'm done. So I've been in the shower for, I wanna say, almost 45 minutes. Look at me being confused as to that spot down. So I've been in the shower for 45 minutes, so the chicken has a good amount of time to marinate and get all that good flavor in. So I'm gonna fry the chicken, and I'm doing stir fry rice with the fried chicken. That's what's for lunch. So I'm gonna fry the chicken and then get the rice started. So now I'm gonna wash the rice and get it ready to cook. While the rice and the chicken are cooking, I'm gonna take a little break. I've been on my feet for the whole day and I just need a little break before I continue. These are the only vegetables I had on hand, which are bok choy, onion, garlic, tomato, and of course ginger. So that's all what I'm going to be using, and this is how it looks when it's all done. It looks really good and I really enjoy this meal. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.